Sounds Under Radio released their first full-length album in 2008. Since then, they've been having a string of success in film and TV, with placements in Spider-Man 3, The Wolfman, War Games, The Dead Code, and most recently, CW's The Vampire Diaries. Stay tuned to hear about their new album they're releasing in May. And now, here's the Sounds Under Radio.
I want you to know it's not your fault. What I've become is all I own. I live inside my own machine. These clocks that keep me will always sing to me when you can't breathe, when you can't sleep, when you're feeling alone, the words aren't right. Just sing to me. I know that no one else can save me from myself. But these words, like painted glass, have frozen me between. So just sing to me when you can't breathe, when you can't sleep, when you're feeling alone and the words aren't right. Just sing to me. Just sing to me when you can't breathe, when you can't sleep, when you're feeling alone and the words aren't right. Just sing to me. Just sing to me.
Wow, that was awesome, guys. Thank y'all so much.
Thank you.
Now, I understand that you have an album coming out in May. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, it's this thing right here. The record is called Where My Communist Heart Meets My Capitalist Mind. It's a 12-song record that we worked on over the last year and a half. Did most of it here in Austin, and yeah, we're really excited to kind of unleash it to the world, really.
Awesome. We'll be watching out for that.
And with the new album, do you guys have any other upcoming shows?
We do. There's going to be a big Austin record release. The record is coming out on May 3rd, the weekend before April 29th. We're going to be doing a record release in Austin at a venue called the ND, and then touring regionally and nationally kind of around that and following that. So.
Awesome. Thank y'all so much for coming out today. Y'all just saw Sounds Under Radio, and you're watching Good Morning Texas. Have a great day.